You know that feeling, right? The one where you're scrolling through endless product listings, hoping to find that one magical item that will finally make your dropshipping dreams a reality? Especially in the skincare niche where everyone seems to be selling the same 5 moisturizers and a jade roller. It's a crowded market, and standing out feels like trying to find a needle in a haystack made of face masks. But what if I told you there's a way to unlock a treasure trove of unique, high-quality skincare products that your customers will absolutely adore, all without the headache of inventory or shipping? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're talking about Spocket, a dropshipping platform that's quickly becoming the secret weapon for savvy entrepreneurs in the skincare space. Forget about the generic stuff everyone else is peddling. Spocket connects you with suppliers, many of whom are based in the US and EU, offering an incredible array of products that are often difficult to find elsewhere. This means faster shipping, happier customers, and ultimately, a more profitable business for you. So let's break it down. Why Spocket for skincare specifically? Well, the beauty of dropshipping is the low barrier to entry. You don't need to invest thousands in inventory, and you don't need a warehouse. But the challenge has always been sourcing reliable suppliers with unique products. That's where Spocket shines. They vet their suppliers rigorously, ensuring product quality and reliable shipping. This is crucial in the skincare niche, where customers are increasingly discerning about what they put on their skin. They want quality, they want transparency, and they want results. Spocket helps you deliver on all fronts. Now, let's talk about the types of skincare products you can find on Spocket that will truly make your store stand out. We're not just talking about basic cleansers and toners here. Think specialty serums targeting specific concerns like hyperpigmentation or fine lines. Imagine offering organic, cruelty-free face oils sourced from independent artisans. Picture a collection of ethically produced sheet masks with exotic ingredients. Spocket opens up a world of possibilities beyond the mainstream. One of the biggest advantages is the access to US and EU suppliers. This is a game changer for several reasons. Firstly, shipping times are significantly reduced. Instead of waiting weeks for products to arrive from overseas, your customers can receive their orders in a matter of days. This dramatically improves customer satisfaction and reduces the likelihood of abandoned carts. Secondly, products from these regions often come with a perception of higher quality and stricter regulatory standards, which is a massive selling point in the skincare industry. Customers are often willing to pay a premium for products they trust. Let's get specific. What kind of Spocket products should you be looking for in the skincare niche? 1. Niche-specific serums and treatments. Move beyond general moisturizers. Look for serums formulated for acne-prone skin, anti-aging serums with ingredients like bakuchiol or peptides, or brightening serums with vitamin C. The more targeted your products, the more likely you are to attract customers looking for specific solutions. 2. Natural and organic skincare. The demand for natural and organic skincare is booming. Spocket has a fantastic selection of suppliers offering products made with ethically sourced, natural ingredients. Think face oils infused with botanical extracts, cleansers free of harsh chemicals, or handmade soaps with essential oils. This caters to a growing segment of environmentally conscious consumers. 3. K-Beauty and J-Beauty inspired products. While many popular K-Beauty and J-Beauty brands are widely available, Spocket can help you discover smaller, independent brands offering unique formulations and ingredients. Look for innovative sheet masks, sleeping masks, or multi-step skincare sets that introduce your customers to new and exciting routines. 4. Skincare tools and accessories. Beyond topical products, consider dropshipping skincare tools. Think derma rollers, gua sha tools made from rose quartz or jade, or even high-frequency wands. These can be excellent add-ons or upsells that enhance the overall skincare experience. 5. Sustainable and eco-friendly options. Consumers are increasingly prioritizing sustainability. Look for suppliers offering refillable packaging, products with minimal plastic, or brands that donate a portion of their profits to environmental causes. Highlighting these aspects can resonate deeply with your target audience. 6. Men's skincare. Don't forget about the male demographic. The men's skincare market is growing rapidly. Spocket offers a variety of products specifically formulated for men, from beard oils and balms to robust cleansers and moisturizers designed for men's skin. Now, how do you find these hidden gems on Spocket? It's pretty straightforward. Once you've integrated Spocket with your e-commerce platform, Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, etc., you can browse their extensive catalog. Use the search filters to narrow down your options by category, skincare, beauty, supplier location, US, EU, and even specific keywords. Pay close attention to product descriptions, images, and customer reviews if available. When selecting products, think about your target audience. Are you catering to teenagers with acne, busy professionals looking for anti-aging solutions, or someone interested in clean beauty? Tailor your product selection to their specific needs and desires. Curate a collection that tells a story and offers a cohesive experience. Remember, the goal isn't just to list products. It's to create a brand. Your product descriptions should be engaging and informative, highlighting the benefits of each item. Use high-quality images and consider creating bundles or kits to increase average order value. And finally, consider your pricing strategy. Spocket allows you to set your own retail prices, giving you control over your profit margins. Do your research, understand your costs, and price competitively while still ensuring a healthy profit. By leveraging Spocket, you're not just dropshipping. You're curating a unique and desirable skincare experience for your customers. You're building a brand that stands out from the generic noise, one that offers quality, variety, and the convenience of fast shipping. It's about empowering you to build a successful dropshipping business without the usual headaches. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.